Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, today we are going to talk about some waters of the United States to see how the fishermen here catch thousands of tons of seafood. Statistically speaking, in 2022, 8.5 billion pounds of seafood oil consumed in the United States captured and generated around 6.7 billion in revenue. With revenue, currently this nation comes in 5th place, one of the nations with the biggest China's and the world's seafood catches in the first on the list. Of the thousands of salmon are present in Alaska, getting ready to be loaded aboard the boat. It is preferable to travel Alaska salmon fishing. 34 of these are in this area to fish. In 2021, around there have been 223 million salmon caught in this chain, and this fish's revenue focused on 74 crore and 77 lakhs dollars, when a large number of salmon have arrived. Statistically, from 2021 for Norway has the greatest salmon population in the world. Production worldwide 37% or 1.4 million tons of the total of audio creation in the globe in a second. Present in the sea, fishermen who catch lobsters will utilize countless little fish as a bait. A bait bag will be used in each lobster. Once the preparation of the bait is done, there will be thousands of lobster cages discharged into the ocean. The following segment of this video is where we begin the farm, the United States. How does rising millions of dollars work when pigs fly? The United States now has more 6,300 pig farms of the various sizes, and there are many pigs. 72.2 million individual large-scale pig farms are open, primarily in certain states like Iowa, Minnesota, South Florida, and North California. This is how cows are inseminated in a lone farm. Each sow will time for fertilization 15 to 20 minutes long. Iowa is now the state with the most number of pigs in the nation, with about distribution of 23.3 million pigs about 150 days following the fertilization. At the farm, hundreds of cells have begun bleeding. Annually in the United States, 1.5% of them pass away soon after delivery. Piglets rises at the farm will only be prior to being worn. 1 month of blast feeding various food of the United States has recently consistently placed third in the list of the areas where there are the most pigs in the global. The majority of pigs farmed in the United States also use soybeans, corn, and other types of grown feed as a source of pig. Based on the United States, by 2021, the Department of Agriculture mined 38 million tons of coal and 97 million tons of corn. The food industry uses tons of soybean. Pigs 72.2 million. When they are 2 months old, these piglets will eat the same food as pigs in adult. 3 months after piglets are born, their mother will be cut off from them, and the process of fretting starts. Additionally, several 3 months old additionally prefer to consume pork of the time development stage. The majority of pigs live on the massive farm are free range. Pigs are rises in the capacity on modest farms that produce a maximum of 500 pigs. Each week, the pig farm employees will feed the pig pen with a dry straw to minimize the moisture brought on the fish, pigs, and fishes. The majority of these pigs are regarded as when they are fresh and suitable for meat, attain the age of 6 months and processed and around 250 pounds. There is where the sewage is treated for a pig farm housing over 4,000 pigs in the law. After treatment, wastewater will be utilized to afterwards irrigate corn and soybean field. That field prior to examining the pork processing process. We will visit an organic pig farm with roughly 430 pigs, Arkansas every. This model pig farm are rarely seen within the United States, and this farm produce meat that is constantly out of the stock. We will then assess how these employees move a lot of pigs to the meat processing facility. The pigs that can be harvested for flesh, trucks will be loaded with the harvest. This is their first and final voyage. Statistically speaking, in 2021, pork in the United States, 27.3 are produced. How do you feel about the pork processing going on this video? Let us know what you think in the comment section of this video. Goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Thank you so much.